Next, I would like to make sure that I see all of the columns that are up here so I can read everything that it's assigned a cell. Whenever you click on a cell, you can see the content of that cell up here in the function bar. So I can see that my text is getting cut off. So I want to set my text wrapping so that I can see all the content of that cell without having to click on it to see it in the function bar. To do that, I'm going to use my text wrapping option, which are over here on the toolbar. If I click on that drop-down menu, it's currently set up to clip, which means it will cut off the content after it gets to the end of the cell. You also have the option to overflow, which will carry the content of your cell over into the next cell if the next cell is blank. The final option here is the one we want, and that is the text wrapping option. However, I want to do that for the entire row. So to highlight the entire row, I'm just going to click on the number of the row here, and that highlights the whole row, and then I can select my wrapping option. Just a word of note, if you do use a Google form to populate your workbook, the format changes won't stay for any new entry from your Google form, because when a Google form adds data, it inserts a new row and it clears any formatting that was in it.